pie? Hang on, I have some. That's what I meant. I said spinach pie. Oh, then it's got to be good. I've had it before.
Has he got a new toy?
This is iPod. It's his video of
Did you ever get into that CD, that DVD with all the music?
Oh, yeah.
It's got a lot of stuff on there.
That's terrific, yeah.
It took me a while to figure out how to print stuff.
No, I asked him inside.
It's a PDF.
I know.
It's a PDF. Someone else asked me that too recently. How do I print stuff? You just open the thing, open the file, and press print.
Ooh, tacos.
Always got the video going over there.
Hey, you gotta take off the.
Stop videoing me, weirdo.
Uh-oh, they were
Yeah, they're tagging you already.
Hey, who farted? There's a big bubble there. You guys fart. Hey, no farting in there.
Ooh, what's that?
This is bad hot.
I got it. Yeah. They've been here all time, but yesterday. You want to lay down or you want to sit down?
Save some stuff.
Yeah, I got.
Take it easy. Camera?
No, it's got a video here.
Yeah, I know, but cameras are a lot better.
Oh. So how does everybody feel? Everybody's here. Fran is here.
We need another mouth to feed.
Fran doesn't like to be videoed.
No.
Hello, say hello.
Hi.
Okay.
I would have brought a camera.
I did.
Very
I
good.
bought it. It's in the car.
Say hello. I'm videoing.
I know. I forgot.
It's going on YouTube.
Mostly his fingers
Pan
getting
around.
videoed.
Try and get as much of Jay as you can, or probably another tray in the house.
Ooh, you're rotten. And around again. Go on the
He's over
inside
there on the
here.
floor.
Everybody wave while I'm doing a video. So you could just go like this, say hi.
How you doing?
All right, we're here. We're here.
Hi. Take one day at a time.
Look, he's not
Right,
taking his
right,
fingers
exactly.
off
Exactly. Take a little video of this here.
What are you doing?
Thank you, Maria, for a lovely day.
I like Dr. Oz.
But how big was the one that they took off? She took off.
Almost the same size as this one. But that one, Gush cheese. That was Gush and cheese.
Let's see the one in the back again, Ben. Lift up the shirt.
No, she put a Band-Aid on it.
Let's see. Let's see what it looks like.
Put a Band-Aid on it.
Let's see. Oh, it's all wrapped up. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, nice job.
Yeah? Very nice.
Nice job.
Very nice, very nice.
You wet?
Hot tub.
It's a shrimp.
I hear they want to work in a printer. God bless.
Actually, you can. You can see there's trains up here too, and a track, and all of this is for sale. Some old cars here. Some old cars. That's Fran, by the way, everybody.
Also have Merry Christmas might work.
Nick, describe what we're seeing here.
This might work. No Christmas, we got all these antique cars.
Right, I got the antique cards, right?
See the little lights that will
Right.
light up. Okay. And then we got some more over there. That can light up. There we go.
Nice.
Ooh, nice car.
All right.
Down here on the bottom.
All right, Nicky, describe to us what we're seeing
We got
here.
a Bambino set here for the Saints. All set up. All Christmas stuff right here. It's everything's running. If we go a little further, it's even more lit like this. And then we can turn on the Halloween stuff that we got right here. Turn this on. Let's see if I can get this on.
Hey,
They talk about salsas everywhere. All the little potatoes. And then a wood.
Yeah, right, he's gonna put them on.
Look at that.
that